Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning.
I'm good.
Good morning, Ishika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shagun.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh.
Good morning.
Good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anshika.
Ma'am, what did you make us do in the last class?
Beta,
yesterday.
it was a doubt clearing session. Pratyush had some doubts regarding that chapter, no, understanding law. So some of the queries that he had were discussed. Yesterday you were not there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
You had gone for the NCC class.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How was it?
It was good.
Good? Fine,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
really good. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh Bichi.
Good
Okay,
morning, ma'am.
good morning, Khyati. I think most of you have come. So let us have a quick attendance and then we start with the class. We'll be doing, what do you want? Doubts or shall we proceed on with the question answers or the chapter that we were doing?
Ma'am,
Class?
revision for you.
Revision we will do better, don't worry.
Revision for UTs.
Uh, that we will do on Saturday if possible. Right? Saturday we have a class. Saturday we have a class. No, Saturday only for revisions.
No, ma'am, we don't have.
Friday we have a class.
No, ma'am.
Huh? Friday do we have a class?
Yes, ma'am.
Friday we have a class. So Friday.
Yes,
we-
ma'am. We have a class.
Right? Friday. Tomorrow again first period we have. So tomorrow first period will be revising. Right? We have just 2 chapters, right?
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, but
In the civics chapter. Ma'am, on page number 273, the regulating wages. Ma'am, this whole paragraph I cannot understand. The issue of fixation of minimum wages.
The issue of
Ma'am, under the heading regulating wages.
सक्षम हमने कल यही सब डिस्कस करा था. You can go through the video बच्चे. Yesterday's video, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Vyom, don't know whatever the authorities' instructions are there. Accordingly, we have to do. Okay. Quickly your attendance class, and we start with the.
Ma'am, I also have few doubts in SST.
Fine. We'll discuss that.
Ma'am, the paper will be changed for online or it will be same.
Beta, we have both the papers made online also for offline also. So whatever the instructions are, we all are going to work as per that. Right?
Ma'am, in online there will be objective also, that MCQ one.
Don't know.
Ma'am, objective, subjective both.
Don't worry for that, beta. You prepare for subjective and objective both. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, but subjective के लिए तो मैम वही रहेगा, that we have to send the PDF after.
हाँ, बिल्कुल वही रहेगा बच्चे.
Ma'am, and are there any maps, ma'am, for ma'am history and civics?
No. There are
Ma'am,
no.
all the instruction will be sent before the exams, no, for if there will be online.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Today is 21st, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, those who were present yesterday also, yesterday I did not take the attendance, I forgot to take it. So those who were present yesterday also, they will say 2 days. Okay. Ahana,
Ma'am, present both the days.
Aradhe.
Ma'am, present both the days.
Okay. Then after Aradhe, we have Abhishri, Akshita, Anshika Yadav.
Ma'am, Akshata present on both days.
Okay. Anshika Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Anvesha.
Ma'am,
Arshit.
present on both the days.
Okay. Arshit is not there. Yesterday she was there. Fine. Aryan Gangwar.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Okay. Atharva Verma. Atharva is not there. Okay. Avantika.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Okay. Ayushi. Nimesh.
Ma'am, present on both days.
Bhavya Khandelwal. Gurleen. Harshit Oberoi.
Ma'am, I was present yesterday for some time, ma'am, in the starting of the class. Ma'am, what should I say?
Present only, you say.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Rishi.
Ma'am, I was absent yesterday and present
Good
today.
morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, Bache. Good morning. Jay Kanojia. Jay Kanojia is there? No. Jivyansh.
Ma'am,
Karthik.
present on both the days.
Okay.
Ma'am, for today.
Okay. Khyati.
Ma'am,
Good morning,
present.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Kinjal. Not there. Mihika. Both days.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Porush.
Ma'am, Parush present.
ठीक है. Pratyush.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, for both the days.
Saksam. Today.
Ma'am, absent yesterday.
हाँ. Shagun. Both the days. Sambhavi not there. Shashank. Shivansh.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Okay. Then Shreya. Taran.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Anji Taran.
Ma'am, present on both the
Utkarsh. Utkarsh.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
Vishesh.
I'm present on both the days.
Vyom Saxena.
Ma'am, only present this day.
Okay. Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am, present on both the days.
You did not go for your NCC class, Vyom?
Oh, yes, ma'am, I forgot. Yes, ma'am.
Yashika.
I'm present on both the days.
Fine. Fine.
Ma'am, I was absent yesterday.
Ha, Vyom, I know, I have marked. Let us do one thing. As we have only 2 classes left before the exams, I don't think you will be having your classes, no, because first 2 periods we'll be having this thing, exams only, right? So let us start with the revision, okay? Fine, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, today of which, ma'am? History or civics?
history, today history.
Ma'am, you will give the marks of the copy on all the chapters or only on the UTs?
Beta, हमने जितना भी काम करा है, I'll be giving marks on the basis of all the work that is done till date.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. I think socio-religious.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am, like, ma'am, पहले तो ma'am, the first 2 periods were gone in the UT, ma'am, but now the children who will go in the school, ma'am, how they will attend the classes?
Better that to let the authorities think about it. Why should we waste our time on that? Right?
Ma'am, I think
Okay,
now
ma'am.
nobody will go, ma'am, because online are being conducted.
Exactly. Chalo.
Ma'am, can you give us time to revise?
Vyom.
Only 5 minutes.
Okay, take 5 minutes for revising the chapter, and after exactly 5 minutes, we'll start with the class, right?
Ma'am, at 9:15, 9:16, you can start.
Fine.
And we have to revise history.
History only history we'll do today, okay?
Ma'am, and global connections will come.
No, it will not come. No need to prepare.
Ma'am, but global connection is one of our answers.
Is one of our answers, but I will not give from there, beta. You know, I don't give from the exercises which are there. I give from the chapter only.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, Vyom.
ma'am, in chapters, in copy work, I have not written think and answer. Is it
It's
fine?
okay. It's okay. No issues. No issues.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji Khati.
Ma'am, how we will submit our copy if we will attend online exam?
Beta, there will be a way found for it. I'll speak to sir regarding this. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Okay. Shall we
Ma'am,
start?
on UT basis, ma'am, on the UT method that you have given, ma'am, only the marks will be given on that, ma'am, or the ma'am full.
Beta, for the notebook part you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Notebook to whatever we have done till date.
From UT1, ma'am.
Nahi. Not from UT1.
From half yearly.
Yes, from half yearlies, after half yearlies.
Ma'am, now you may
Ma'am,
start the
after
revision.
Wait a moment. But I am sharing some questions on the screen with you people. Right?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
won't
we have
after half yearly.
Ma'am, we have to write the answers in our notebook.
Nahi beta, you will be answering one by one. I will call out the names and you will be answering one by one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.